I've always been obsessed with watches, in which I actually have a huge collection. However, I don't own a single smart watch. But when a company actually contacted me asking if I'd be interested in reviewing one, I said, hey, why not? So the good folks over at MobileV sent over the TicWatch Pro. So this here's our box, kind of slides out just like that. Shake it till it falls out. Yeah, there we go. So this kind of just comes out just like that. Push that away and whoa! Looks like we got ourselves a charging dock. Match them up just like that and there you go. It's got magnetic. Very simple design in terms of how it looks. So you got this nice aluminum kind of like frame around it, and on the back here you do see the sensor. So this here is for the charging port. You got two buttons and it's got this nice leather strap, and now it does come with different covers that you can change it to. Kind of toggling between it, you see that there's a lot of different features with it. Now you got like the Play Store, you got fitness, agenda, contacts, find my phone, flashlight, Google Play, etc, etc, etc. So you can go ahead and link it up with your phone, which is a great idea. So it kind of gives you notifications on the go. It also has a vibration feature in here, so if I get a text message, it'll vibrate and let me know. So it does help you in the sense that, hey, if you're working or if you're in a really fast-paced environment, you can just simply look at your watch and say, hey, I got a text message. Now, it does have some drawbacks with it, but you know, again, with any piece of technology, when you're trying to offer so much, there always will be drawbacks. So one of the biggest downsides of it is that you do have to pay to play. Now, pay to play is a feature where you get something for free per se, but if you want to go ahead and get the full extent out of it, you do have to pay extra. In this case here, if you want to go ahead and customize it or get different kind of screens, you have to pay 99 cents per screen. Now, I understand the whole logic behind it, but if you're already paying so much for a watch, it should already be included. Why don't you guys get this point? Anyways, one thing I noticed is that if you do download a specific app, like I just did right here, so I went ahead and downloaded the app called Watchmaker. It allowed me to go ahead and pay for like a premium price, like I think it's like $5, but you're allowed to go ahead and download a variety of different themes for absolutely no charge once you pay that price. So you can even go ahead and like download this one here. So this here is the James Bond theme. And it's literally from GoldenEye. It makes you feel like you're James Bond, you know, with that uniqueness of the watch. I had so many compliments wearing it. It's actually crazy. And then, you know, you can also download like Street Fighter. So with Street Fighter, you know, you get that nice, like almost like classic arcade kind of feel to it. And then you even have an animated screen. That animated screen is phenomenal. I mean, literally the frames per second is so smooth. It really looks like you're playing the game, even though you're not. But yeah, with that being said, you can always go ahead and customize it, create your own ones. I created my own conflicts one, you know, stuff like that. You know, you can always do things of that nature, which is really awesome. So back to the watch, you know, you can go ahead and customize it and kind of do whatever you want with it. So you're not just limited to what's there. So you do just keep that in mind when you do buy a watch like this. Now, overall, I would say compared to other smartwatch devices that are currently out there, this is definitely ahead of its time, especially with the LCD screen. I would imagine the battery life being a huge drawback with these watches. So you literally have to charge it every day, every moment, and probably only get that very minimal amount of life out of it. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions about this particular watch, feel free to comment down below. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, be sure to subscribe for more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.